I'm having an allergy. Oh, I just sneezed like 6 times. Oh, no, it's running. Oh. I ran on my allergy pill 2 days ago, and I've been suffering. And I went and said, please, please, please give me my allergy pill yesterday. And she said she could do it for 2 hours. And then I got into all that fucking bullshit, fuckery, car shit. And I lost my head. And I said, I cannot deal with another situation, possible scenario. So I'm just gonna go home. That was, I think, a smart move on my part. So now I'm like really like, those 6 sneezes, I counted them, it was 6. I should have got them at the beginning, but I was in the moment, busily, violently sneezing on myself and Mother Earth that didn't ask for it. The inside of my nose feels like I want to go in there with a scouring brush, stainless steel preferably, and scrub the shit out of it because it's so fucking itchy. I can't tell you how itchy it is. I wish my fingers were small enough that I could go right up in there and scratch the fuck out of my inside. Yes, I'm smoking. I'm fucking at home, okay? Not you. Anyways, I gotta notice that my medications are ready, so I'm gonna go pick them up today after I drop off this heathen later to the sitter. I might even go swimming today. I'm in that kind of mood that I need something to wash off this fucking layer of fucking mucky, negative, angry, rageful, hateful, draining coat of doom. Just hang it out. I'll put it back on later. P.S. Look at my mushroom head. The tips were a little wet from the shower. So she said. And then I slept in it. And now it's like a, what would I call it? You know that lettuce that looks like pubic hair? You know, the frisee? That's what it looks like. You're welcome. I hope I ruined your breakfast. You're not supposed to be eating anyways. You're supposed to be fasting.